is our kanang favorite gunya ati Ivan nga dish. Murag nag-strengthen among friendship tungod ani.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, actually mga kapaglaw, this is not our
first
first time to make pizza. For the last year's Monggod, we're visiting Ate Milma's house.
And
New Year's Eve. Every December,
Busy
nag-guys
kayo.
orders, and we wanted to help in making pizza and gaka-enjoy po actually making the pizza.
It's very therapeutic at the same time usahay nga murag arrange. Bisag daghan kayo ang dough nga
Yeah, we
ipa-arrange.
usually have this big. Nga ang order nila Ate Milma, no? And who would have thought, Shan, in the third year that we will make pizza?
And share it with others on TV.
On
Yes.
TV, girl, that is one thing. And so, without further talking, let us start with the ingredients of our homemade healthy vegan pizza. Let's start with the, di ba, two main parts ng pizza, Auntie?
Yes, ate.
Number one is the crust.
Yeah.
And then second is the sauce. And also, we'll have our toppings. And then apoy cheese.
The cheese.
So we'll
Yes.
start with the
Crust.
crust.
Okay, the crust,
Great.
we don't use any oil. That's a big difference. Pizza crust is usually made with a lot of oil, but this one, let's just take our
Okay,
flour.
Okay, flour.
So we have the flour.
What is it made?
Now again, let's
whole
just
wheat.
watch for the measurements because here I don't measure.
Follow your
Approximately
heart.
2 cups of flour.
2 cups
2
of
cups
Whole
for
wheat.
this
Whole
big, diba?
wheat flour.
flour.
Okay.
Okay,
Wow.
and then
So dry sa
yeah.
dry.
dry. And
Then
then
after
there's the
that-
yeast. Okay, I just mix this yeast here, like 1 tablespoon. This is about 1 tablespoon yeast.
Alright.
And then
Para unsa ka
Give me a
for
use a wooden
non-bakers ng mga tao. This is for
yeah, para ni siya nga mutubo siya.
tubo.
Okay, and then I'll mix it. And I'll put a little sugar para mo
Yeah, the
catalyze siya sa
cocoa
pag-rise.
Still cocoa
It's still
sugar.
cocoa
or
sugar.
Healthy sweetener.
And a little
And
salt.
Salt. Salt.
Yeah, to
Plain.
bisag unsa ka lami kunuhay sa bread, walay
Salt.
Salt. Okay.
murag kulang yun.
Salt is very important. So mix,
Yeah.
mix lang.
Okay, that's it. That's just the ingredients. Okay?
Oh.
No oil.
Very easy.
And then we put in the water.
Water. Here.
Okay?
Okay.
Mga pila
So
kaya
I make a whole
ratio sa water, Auntie?
just wet the dough
Okay.
as long as it just gets wet. Okay?
So, hinahinayon lang siya o putan
Yeah. Mga 1 cup siguro.
Okay, what?
1 cup.
Let me use my left hand to pour.
Be ako na
cups
ng
Ah,
flour.
sige.
1
You pour and then I'll tell you when to
Water.
stop.
Okay.
Okay, a little bit more. Now, after this, I can start using my hands enough siya.
Ah, pwede na.
Yeah.
Hands. This
So you
will
Go,
make
ate.
our
don't be
pizza-
afraid to get your hands
This will make our pizza taste.
messy with flour. It's clean flour, it's healthy flour, it's good flour. Okay?
Okay, so
And then you can start to knead it. Let it stick together. Okay? Now, I think I can knead it here. It's clean enough.
So, masahon kay bali.
Masaho na to.
And then, ang iyahang kuwante pag mix.
Here. You want to try? Okay, when you knead,
So how do we
okay, let's
let
put it
me-
away. When you knead, yeah. See, wala siya oil, okay? Para dili lang siya mudikit, you just use flour.
Okay.
So, fold it towards you, then turn. Towards you, then turn. There.
Ah.
Okay,
Just one stroke te.
until it becomes smooth. A smooth ball. Okay, as fast
So,
as you can.
balik-balik
So, we
lang.
need a little flour more to keep it from sticking. Ano lang.
So, bana-bana.
So, ayaw po kay daghan na kay mugahi na pud kaayo.
Wow.
Okay.
So, as fast as you can. There.
So, mahimo rin.
Until it will become a smooth ball.
So, this is very possible for moms in their homes.
Oo.
Hindi na naging
And
kailangan-
makusog
I
pag yun
think
yung
mapalit
rasp.
jud ni nila sa market siya. Like we have those.
Okay?
But this
Now,
is
you
much-
can keep kneading that, but I'll show you. You want to
I'll try to knead.
Like how many minutes te?
until it's soft. It's as fast as you can until
Until
it's
it's
smooth. I mean, not soft, until it's smooth.
That's smooth.
Okay, now,
Okay.
after that, you shape it into a ball.
Kani?
Yeah. Use this
I'll
the
get some tissue here.
back of your hand.
Ay,
And the,
Ana?
Hmm.
Wow.
Go, Shan.
Sige. Okay.
Use some strength.
Then when it's smooth enough, okay,
Okay.
since we don't have,
Will I take this?
Okay, when it's
Yeah.
smooth enough, okay.
you put it like, shake it into a ball,
Ah.
add some more flour,
Wow.
yeah, it's a ball,
What a technique.
and then you can put it, set it aside to rise, like I did with this,
Okay.
excuse me,
Okay, sure.
like I did with this, okay?
Just clean it.
So kani siya, nag-rise na siya. Then,
Mga pila na kang
Oh.
minutes mag...
until mag-double siya in size, mga 15 siguro, 15
So
to
after
20.
15
So,
minutes, mag-double.
yeah,
So,
we
muna
can
ni
put it
siya.
here,
Okay, butangan dyan yung flour for
flour
hindi mo
again,
stick sa...
para hindi mag-stick, gamay lang, okay?
Kapag nagkakaan niya tinels,
Oh.
mag-bake.
I was baking since I was a little kid.
Oh
Wow.
my.
Shan, we just tried it when?
So,
We need...
let's
First
cut
of
it
all,
Go back.
Pulte.
Okay. Cut.
and
we're
shape it into the crust. Another ball.
Ah.
Okay, there.
So, kato nga
So,
measurement, Shan.
Pwede
Duha na
na siya
day.
duha.
Pwede
Oh.
duha siya.
Oh,
Okay? And then we
So,
can
one
take
cup,
a
we
rolling
can-
pin.
Okay, rolling pin.
Okay, wala may rolling pin. You can
Okay.
use a bottle that's round, I mean long.
Siguro mas
Anything
dakuan
round.
Here. Like the bottle sa olives.
Oo.
Okay? So there. You start from the middle, out. Middle, out.
Ah, middle
out.
out.
Ayaw ilahos diha kay mo. Flat kayo ang edges ng sulog.
Middle.
So, dili yun yung may paabot ito sa end.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
try to make it
sides.
circle.
Yeah.
Then,
Any shape they like.
bathe it with...
So, yeah, baby
Flour.
flour, but not too much flour. So this I like to do this way.
Wow. Inside and out. So, your mother taught you this? And
Yeah,
hope
she
she's
taught me
watching
by
right now.
example.
by
Oh.
example. That's very important for
Yeah.
parents, no?
She just showed me.
Yes.
She made it look very interesting. So I asked, "Can I help?" Like she was doing
How
me a
old were you at that
favor.
time, Ate?
Okay. There. How old was I?
Yeah.
Elementary grades.
Well, this is just like exercise good, Timil Manon. No. I mean,
If you
Okay.
rock like a lot of
Then we
it,
can put it in the pan.
okay.
how are you going to transfer it?
Flour again, so it won't stick when you take
What
it out.
about here, Ate? It's
No,
not
it's
stick
okay.
na,
Fold it. And
no?
then
Okay,
put it
so
here.
it's easier.
No?
Again, there.
Pwede siya makuha.
And stretch it
Okay.
out. Okay,
Let me
you
help
can
you,
help
Ate.
me with that.
Oh my.
Stretch it nga. Di
mean-
po siya mabuslot.
Baking
Yeah.
can really give us that kanang dopamine bitaw nga kalipay. I don't know with baking, with sweet, with baked goodies. Muna saba?
Anything
Makalimot
baking.
ka kung sa mga
Now, when it's
flavor.
spread out, you can puncture it with a fork para
Why
dili siya
is
Why,
that?
Ate?
para dili magburot-burot unevenly.
Fork lang.
Yeah, fork.
So the air can come out.
Okay?
So this is...
Oh, so
And
that's
then we
very
can let it rise a little and then put it in the oven for a while, for just a short time.
like 5
Sa
minutes.
oven.
yeah, like 5 minutes in a preheated oven.
How hot is it, Ate?
Okay. 350 degrees.
350.
Dili siya lutuon ha nga lutuon diretso.
So, hilaw-hilaw
Half
ka.
cooked? Ay,
Yeah,
half cooked.
basta ka nang stable na siya.
Yes.
Okay? So, until it comes out,
So we will figure out
yeah,
why.
dili kayo siya luto.
So we
only
have
ang
it will be crunchy.
comparison, no?
Mm.
Look.
It's not
So
brown.
let's try to pinch it.
Yeah, it's still soft.
Pa
Soft
jud
pa
siya.
Yeah.
So,
So
one
let's-
is the after.
This is it.
Leave this to rise. It's going to rise there. And then, while it's rising, oh, here's the other one. And then we can put this.
So what's next,
um,
Ate?
You want to
Make it
start
plain.
putting the cover,
Think
or
that
you want
is
to
one?
start making the cheese?
Let's start with the
Oh.
cheese.
Okay, let's have the cheese
is
first.
very, very important
Para
for
Because
straight
you need
na
to
tayo.
make it for the topping.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so let's
So
put this
let's
aside.
another
aside.
So mga kapaglaom, aniya na to sa part na buhato na nato ang cheese. And I'm some of you siguro, sa cheese? Baked cheese? Parang kailangan ka
Non-dairy.
Non-dairy pag siya na cheese.
Especially for pizza. I think you should complete ang pizza kung walay cheese.
But some don't like cheese.
Okay.
So they
That's
don't
true.
like to eat pizza. But they will love this pizza.
Okay. So, let's see. Unsa apod ang atong ingredients for the cheese.
Here is
Okay,
it.
for the
So,
cheese,
Let's
Here.
prepare that.
So what's that, ate?
this is soaked cashews.
How long did you
Washed
soak
and
it in?
soaked. 30 minutes.
30 minutes. What if malapas, te? Is it okay?
It's okay.
Overnight.
Yeah. If you leave it overnight, okay ra gyud siya.
Okay.
And just wash it and throw out the water. Let me wash my hands.
So, after that, cashew nuts, kasoy. Sa
Yes.
Bisaya, kasoy.
So I think we can buy this sa supermarket.
So, this will give us that
So 30 minutes is okay.
Yeah, this is raw.
raw.
Hilaw
Raw.
na cheese. Oh, can you please
Oh.
open it?
Okay. Let me
Anybody
try it.
strong there?
Nana.
Okay, let's change it. I thought that was a blade.
Ah, okay.
Oh.
So we're going
Alright.
to blend. Oh, we're going to blend this. Too much water.
So how much water should we put there? Like how much
Like
cashew is
double on the
Double.
cheese.
Okay.
So we can put some
size.
some of the
And then
garlic.
after that, te, what will we add?
Garlic.
Garlic.
So,
So,
we have
Garlic.
So,
Like
minced
garlic.
garlic.
Ah, bisag whole kay i-blend man na siya.
Ah, okay na.
Na-mince lang na siya daan.
And then the
Onions.
onions.
Di gini mawala ng duwa.
This
And you know, this is very good kanang dili siya, pwede ra gyud siya sa maay
almost
yeah, almost dili wala siya ano sa naay heart disease, okay ra gyud siya.
like yeah, and more siya magic bitaw siya when you put it to like all dishes, like the taste.
Oh, it uplifts it and then...
And a little salt.
Okay, di pud mawala ang salt. So, dili day pang paparat ang salt. It elevates flavor, right?
Just to enhance.
Enhance flavor.
And did you know ang the dairy cheese out in the market, to preserve it has a lot of salt.
Oh.
It's so salty. It's too high in sodium.
Oh.
But this one, you can make it fresh. You can make it any day.
And
So you
hold
don't
on.
need to preserve it. So I put some turmeric
Why are we
to
putting
make
some
it
turmeric?
yellow like cheese.
So to add more color.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Add
let's
the
blend
turmeric.
this while you can start putting the cover on the pizza.
Oh, we have the crust here, Shannon. We just take it there.
Of the cover, the toppings, I mean.
So this is our favorite
So,
part.
I'm going to
first,
blend
have this
this.
Spoon there, I'll just use this one.
First things first. I have it.
It has to
So-
be blended until it's really fine.
Ah.
So we're going to get a little noisy for a while.
Sige, go.
Okay.
Ate, it looks milky.
No, it looks like a milk yolk.
Can we even drink that? So right now, we'll be putting the
Tomato.
Okay, this is a really nice, finely blended. Okay, you can see kay ug musaka bitaw
looks
siya
like
pag
milk,
naog.
ate.
Oh.
Ba?
Yeah, mura siya milk.
Russia.
Okay.
Can we drink that?
So while you do that,
This is actually the sauce that we had sa spaghetti, right?
Yes.
I think you can move over there so I
Okay.
can put the stove here.
Okay, okay.
This is
Let me put this aside. Muna yung mga favorite part. Kay, patong-patong naman good kani.
Yeah, you just cover it.
So, kani,
Not
kani
so
ka na.
thick. Oh, Ate Milma, let me help.
Bisag bata, I mean, they can do this. Mga bata sa panimalay niyo.
So we're going to cook this
You have mushrooms here.
in a regular fire. Just pour it there. Okay?
Oh.
Wow.
Now as it's cooking, I'm going to whisk it until it
Okay, Shan,
thickens.
let's put that Shan.
So, until it thickens.
Yeah.
Now, Auntie, there's one question. Diba, dairy, when we say dairy, marag milk,
Yeah.
gikan sa
This is
cows.
milk based on
Wingon sila nga, I need man ta mo inom og milk kay tungod calcium, we need it sa atong bones. Is that even right?
well, it really has calcium except that you cannot absorb it kay
We
wala
can't-
pa enzyme to digest
Digest the calcium.
the cow's milk.
Okay. And so what happens when we drink milk? Unsa may gina-compensate sa lawas when we eat? Like,
Dili man ma-digest, so ang mahitabo, your body will pump a lot of acid to digest it, and then kay taas na kayong acid food, so your body will have to buffer it,
Okay.
neutralize ang acid by looking for for a buffer, which is calcium.
So buffer and calcium.
Pero di
very
naman niya
important
makuha
iron.
from the milk. So,
Okay,
kuha
yes.
niya from the bones and from the teeth.
Sa bones. So that's
instead of
why-
being healthier, you get osteoporosis.
Ah.
And
Instead
that's
of-
very opposite, Shanba,
Yeah.
with what we
Like
really
the-
know with
If you know the countries with the highest consumption of
milk.
dairy products
Yeah?
have the highest
Oh.
rates of osteoporosis.
Osteoporosis.
So this
I
is
see.
already thickening,
Okay.
and it's going to turn out as if
Yeah, and
Cook it
right
some
here,
more.
Dee, we put the green bell pepper, the chopped pineapples, the olives, and also the mushrooms.
So
And
inana
right now we have
don't
to put
forget
the
the
cheese.
Yes.
Ah, yeah.
onion rings.
Onion. Now,
The herbs.
mga kapaglaw,
And also the herbs.
again, as mentioned by Ate Ivan, we put olives, kani siya,
Yes.
black. And then button nga mushrooms, this is canned. Mapalit din sa kanang mga supermarkets. And then bell
Yes,
pepper
we will
nga
put that.
green, rakunana diri, and then pineapples. Okay?
And don't forget
And
your onion
also-
rings.
And
the
onions.
Yeah, I also
Money
have herbs
white.
here. We have basil and yeah, let's
It's a
put it,
seasoning.
Shan. We have actually
White onions.
yeah, our time is really short right now, so let's try to do
As
this.
fast as you can,
Yes,
girls.
fast
And then the cheese is already
So just
thickening.
try to work with your imagination, friends.
Mabugnaw na ganin ng cheese mo, gahi-gahi na na siya.
Okay,
let's
let's put
put
the
it sa
cheese.
labasan.
Let's
Okay.
put the cheese.
Cheese
Go
na.
ate.
Pipe it.
Wow!
Go ate.
Amazing!
The pizza.
Oh my. See.
And pop
And
it
this
into
pizza,
the oven.
we actually call this ate the somebody call this ninja pizza. Can you tell us shortly, Teng? Ano yung ninja
Rafael Russell ordered and he called
Rafael
it a ninja
Russell.
pizza because it was gone
Yeah,
in
celebrity.
minutes.
Kay nakaon siya, dali ra kayo siya nahurot.
Yeah, it was-
So, for families...
Gone without a trace.
Wow.
Vanished without a trace.
Yeah, so for families nga walay oven, they can do it sa pan. So, pwede ra kayo sa pan. Sa stove lang,
Like
Yeah,
this
so
one.
lang.
this is a good news for
See,
children.
this one sa
and
pan.
we even tried it with the pan. So how will we take this ate? Should I just?
Put this sa oven.
Here,
Okay.
you can slide it. It's still hot.
Yeah. Oh, all right.
Okay, and
my.
then we can cut it with a knife.
We're now at the most. Can we use this? Sorry.
Just like that.
Can we have small bite?
Now it doesn't have any oil.
Okay.
Wow. So, this
It's
is everybody's
like-
favorite.
Yeah, when you're slicing it, madunggan mo ang crispiness sa onions. So,
And the bottom.
dapat dili kay siya nga nakaluto. Oh my, they're really big.
Okay. So mga kapaglaw, you can try this at home. Ate Ivan will have it tasted. Again, do not forget to try this recipe.
It's still hot.
Yes, kanan yung ipanglista dira. Do write it down and take a picture if you'll be able to experiment it in your homes. And taste it. Sige,
One.
go.
Can we try it together?
Okay.
2, 3, go.
What do you say?
Grabe.
Try it, taste it,
I wish
share
I
it,
could share
post
this to
it.
my friend.
Grabe.
I think
Oh my God.
if John Rice is watching, John.